Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on home screen. So to do that, it's really simple and there is few solutions that we are going to try together. So to do that, first of all, we should go to settings and after that scroll down until you find apps. Look for WhatsApp and go to notifications. You should activate the notifications. And there is an important option in notifications that should be activated is the banner. The banner option. You should activate the banner option. It should be like activated here. And after that, you should go to WhatsApp, open it, and double check, let me mute it, double check if the affected chat that is not showing on your home screen is muted or not. And to do that, go to the chat that is affected, long press on it, and please be sure that it's unmuted. Like that. If it's muted, you will see this silent icon next to it, and if it's like that, you have to long press on it and unmute the chat. Another thing that we should be sure of, that you are not activating focus or do not disturb mode, and as you can see here, they are not activated. Let me deactivate it. Because when these modes are activated, usually they block the notification from arriving to you. Another thing you should do is to allow WhatsApp to run in the background. So you have to go to settings again. And as you can see, background app refresh, it should be activated, and also live activities should be activated also. And also you have to check notification previews. Like here we go to the settings again. After that we go to notifications, and here you have to be sure that you activated this show previews. You have to set it to always. And that's it for the options. And if it's still not working, you have to restart WhatsApp, close the app, swipe up, close the app and open it again, and see if there is any update for WhatsApp, if you need to update it. And if still not working, as you can see, I have an update here. I should update the app. And also you may need to restart your phone and leave it closed for 2 or 3 minutes and open it again. And after that, I'm pretty sure that the notifications will start showing again on your home screen. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.